Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up custom page navigation buttons in Power BI Desktop. Plus, I'll walk through this using a real PBIX file, just like you might use in your own projects. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create interactive navigation buttons to move between different report pages, making your Power BI dashboards smoother, cleaner, and way more user-friendly. So let's get right into it. First off, I've already set up a few different pages in this demo file just to save time and keep things focused today. Of course, if you're following along, feel free to add as many pages as you need, maybe a summary, details, or whatever makes sense for your report story. For this demo though, I'm going to focus on two buttons, one for information and another for help. But keep in mind, you can absolutely add as many navigation buttons as you want, or even design your own custom ones if you're feeling creative. Okay, let's start building our navigation buttons. The first step is to add a rectangle shape to our report page. Think of this rectangle as a little canvas or frame for your button. It gives it structure, makes it easier to see, and instantly makes your dashboard look a bit more polished. To do this, go up to the Insert menu and select the rectangle shape, then just click and drag it out to the size you want. Don't stress too much about getting it perfect right now, you can always resize it later. Next up, we'll actually add our button. With the rectangle selected, go back to the Insert menu and choose the button you want. For this walkthrough, I'm picking the built-in help and information buttons, so let's start with those. Just click to drop your button inside the rectangle. You might want to nudge it around a bit so it's nicely centered. Now here comes the magic, making these buttons actually do something. Click the button you just placed. In this case, let's do the information button. Over in the visualizations pane on the right, scroll to Format, then expand the Action section. This is where a lot of the button's power lies. Flip the action toggle to on, then set the type dropdown to Page Navigation. You'll see another dropdown appear right beneath Pick Information to tie this button directly to your information page. This means whenever someone clicks this button, they'll jump straight to that page. Very slick, right? Repeat the same steps for the Help button. Select it, go to Format Action, flip Action on, set type to Page Navigation, and then select Help this time. That's it, you've now got two fully functioning navigation buttons. If you want, you can experiment with other button types, icons, or even colors. The great thing here is you can adjust the look and feel to stay on brand or just to make things more visually appealing. One quick note you might notice when you try clicking the buttons in Power BI Desktop. Nothing seems to happen, don't worry. In Desktop, you have to hold down the Control key while clicking to test out your navigation buttons, sort of like a preview mode. So go ahead and Control+click the button. You should see it whisk you away to the page you set up. Now let's take it one step further. Often when you guide someone to an information or help page, you want them to get back easily to where they started. That's where the back button comes in. Head over to the information page, insert a back button. There's a built-in one you can use, and again head to Format Action. This time under Type, select Back. That way whenever a viewer clicks it, they'll be returned to their previous page like a back arrow in a web browser. And that's really all there is to it. You've just set up interactive page navigation in your Power BI report, something that instantly adds a layer of professionalism and ease to your dashboards. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Drop a comment below with any questions or ideas for future videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy dashboard building.